energy.
You can power the show by using the power lights and kinetic floors.
Wherever possible, we use renewable fuel for our freight, transport, and air travel.
The LED wristbands are made from plant-based compostable materials. Please return your wristband after the show.
Here are some important and brilliant things.